you're experiencing issues with Red Dead Redemption 2 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to stream a video. If your connection is slow or intermittent, consider restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve minor glitches that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing issues. For consoles, this usually involves turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming platform PC, PlayStation, Xbox is updated to the latest software version. Sometimes system updates are required for game updates to install properly. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be preventing the update from completing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.